My nephew asked me a really good question this week. He is a Division I collegiate athlete to be, and he asked me, "What's the best energy drink?" Meaning, is there one that is the best? And I kind of stopped and I said, "Well, what do you mean? What are you using as indicators for the best?" And he was like, "Well, I don't know." And I said, "Well, are you trying to increase your endurance? Are you trying to increase velocity? Are you trying to increase muscle hypertrophy? Are you trying, like, what is the definition of best?" And actually, he didn't even know. And I find this question to be true. What's the best food? What's the best this? What's the best that? It's like, well, I think it depends upon what you're measuring or what you're looking for. Some people's quality of food is the ingredients. Some people's quality is the amount of caffeine. Some people is, I don't want any more anxiety than I already do. And so caffeine and sports performance is a studied relationship or correlation where there can be some amounts of caffeine that really do impact or influence performance in a positive way, meaning length of endurance increases, strength increases, power output increases. So you can dose some caffeine productively depending upon the sport, but it also depends upon the athlete and their nervous system and their energy metabolism and how their body works. It also depends upon where they're competing. There are some really strict supplementation laws where you do have to do urine tests and look at how much caffeine is in your urine output. And if it's over a certain amount, you're going to be banned from that sport. So when you're looking at specifically caffeine and what's the best energy drink, the only way our body uses energy is from three substrates: carbs, proteins, and fat. Caffeine is a drug, it's a stimulant. And so an energy drink, my scientific brain goes, well, what kind of carbs or protein or fats does it have? Well, it has zero. It's a sugar-free, but there's caffeine in it. There's a drug in it. The drug is impacting your body, not energy from substrates and energy metabolism. And so a true athlete is going to actually use food as fuel, and that's going to better their nervous system, their muscular system, their cardiovascular system, potentially how their engine's going to work, their cardiac output, how their body uses oxygen, because it's going to be more fine-tuned. So supplements and caffeine are sometimes kind of like a biohack, which biohacks can be really helpful, but at the base, you want to make sure you're using food as fuel at a very basic level, and that will help you be a more professional athlete because you have the basics down. So to answer your question, it depends. It depends upon what you're looking for when it comes to the best energy drink. And I know that's gray and probably annoying, but hope it helps.